Got a package today. Excellent. Data plates. There's nothing on them. The heck's going on here? Oh, very nice. Thank you, Robert. So, here are the data plates I ordered from Robert in Poland. I don't know which process he uses, but these things turn out exactly like the originals. I don't know if it's silk screen. I'm just gonna get these apart and then I'll zoom in on them. Nice. Okay. I'll put them on the, oh, they may not stay up there. Yeah, they're gonna slide off. All right, handheld time. So I got my valance out here. This is the coolant draining instructions. That one will go here. I have to look at the tech manual to get the proper locations for all of these. This is the nomenclature plate. And yeah, that one I believe goes there. May have to modify the holes in the valance a little bit. Not sure. Doesn't go there. Doesn't go there. Pretty sure that one goes there. Then there's the permissible road speed data plate. And then the shifting diagram. Now, even though the transmission shift diagram here is the original 4-speed, I have a 5-speed in the truck from the GMC CCKW, and the shift pattern is different. But I want to keep the original shifting diagram plate. I am going to convert my truck from an NJ to an NM. NJ is non-winch, and winch truck is NM, November Mike. And I will have to look in the technical maintenance manual as to where this data plate will mount. And that's the winch capacity for the Garwood 2U 512 winch. And then this data plate is installed on the dash. We're going to go to the truck. And this is the original dash from this truck, but it was never drilled to have this data plate go right about there. And it shows which technical maintenance manual to use. Let's go look at the other dash that I have. This dash is a later dash, 43, late 43. The difference is this panel here is not for a push-pull switch, it's for a rotary light switch. And then we can see the original data plate here for the technical maintenance manual. Not a problem. I can measure out the holes and off of this dash and install my data plate there. So pretty danged awesome to have these well, sorry, wrong way, to have these data plates come in. That's just like icing on the cake. Now I have the original data plate from the truck, and we can see that line that says serial number. I have to find a jeweler that can do engraving so that that jeweler can engrave the serial number in that top blank bar and then the date of delivery in the lower blank bar, and then I can get the truck registered. And a couple of weeks ago I received my wire harness for the truck, and I'm gonna open up that tomorrow, start taking a look at that. And with the wire harness, I still have yet to install the tail light on both sides. Tail light goes here, and then right in that hole there is the trailer socket plug. So, and I already have a pigtail for the trailer with the plug right here. And I have the socket in-house, safely tucked away. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great night. Later.